Hey guys, it's Arturo. Welcome to my channel. Let's go check out Huacachina. Let's go. Guys, we made it to the sand dunes in Huacachina. This is exactly what we came. Are you excited, girl? Yeah. Guys, if you guys can bring bandanas, it'll be helpful. Like, they said that the sand is gonna be all over it, so it's supposed to be a really fun ride, so I can't wait for that. Guys, they bring you in the middle of the whole sand dunes and they just let you take some pictures over here. I think it's pretty rad. I'm on top of the buggy right now. You can go and take some pictures. Anna took some. I just took some, so gotta get off and let the other people go more. You like it? This is really fucking cool, y'all. Guys, this is behind me is the beautiful oasis in the middle of this desert. We've seen it all over the media. We've seen it on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. It's marvelous, guys. The tour guide was telling us that this used to be like a complete natural occurrence for thousands of years until like around the year 2000, where around the 2000s when the government found out that it was actually losing water, and water that sustained this underwater wasn't enough to keep it filled. So nowadays it's about half natural, half artificial. But that's a little town on its own, and most of those buildings are just for tourism. And all around is the dunes. This is part of the desert of Atacama, the harshest and driest desert in the whole world. It's so big that it's part of Bolivia, Argentina, Chile, and obviously Peru, because this is where we are right now. But it's marvelous. Guys, we made it to where the lagoon is, or the oasis, whatever you want to call it, and it's really dope. They have like all these street vendors around, They have a bunch of different stuff. They have like raspados, like slushes type of thing that we have over here in America. We also got some mangoes. But the cool thing is that it looks like you're somewhere in the Middle East, even from the vegetation and you know all the cobblestone stuff. And we got mangoes. But it's really dope. They have those little canoes out in the middle of the place where you can rent them and you can just go around. Look, it's so dope.
Oh my god, this is so good.
And it's eating mangoes. We also got a bunch of souvenirs over here. Buenas. Hi, hi. And on that note, subscribe. Guys, we're about to go have some lunch. It's about almost 3 o'clock and we came to this place called Nietos. Well, this is where the excursion brought us. And it's a really nice place. It's really packed. It seems like a lot of the excursions that come out of Lima might just end up here and they just bring whoever's in the tour to have some lunch over here. There's also a lot of souvenirs. I saw some guy giving like a presentation or explaining something to another set of tourists. But I must say that the place is nice. That goat. Tony! Guys, it's a combination plane that we ordered. Are you ready for this? A lot of food. ¿Qué es eso, Tony? ¿Tú sabes lo que es eso?
Tony's having right now the lomo saltado.
Oh, nice.
With fries, eggs, and white rice.
That's awesome. This is rice and chicken. I don't know what that is.
This one is chicken. This one is pork.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. This is the red sauce with dried potatoes.
Oh, awesome. Guys, we just finished eating. I almost say the food was amazing. I'm so full right now. This is our second day here, and I can say this: like, you sit down once over here and you eat one time, and you're good for the rest of the day.
They give you large portions?
They give you a lot of food. Like, we shared that meal that we got in between 3. We had the guy just sit with us and just chill. It was amazing. I highly recommend this place. The food is really good. Guys, and with this view in the background, this is it for this video. If you liked it, if you made it this far, please hit me up with a thumbs up and a subscription button down below. And I'll see you in the next one.